name is Aminat Thompson. I'm the executive assistant to the founder of La Campagne Tropicana Beach Resorts and Motherland Beacons Limited. So Motherland Beacons is the organizer of the Ipada Carnival that we are in here today. My challenge so far, I would say, the human aspect of putting this whole thing together. You know, it's one thing to have an idea, and it's another thing to execute and implement it. But so far, we are here. The retreat has been successful, and I would say we're able to surmount the challenges because obviously the retreat has been successful. And just to add, the Blossom Retreat is just one of the many programs of the Ipada Carnival. So today is the day 3 of the carnival, and we are very happy that it's actually been successful so far. My major focus will be the work-life balance. I've been an advocate of work-life balance when it comes to women, because some people believe as a woman you have to sacrifice one thing for the other. You have to sacrifice either your home or the career, right? But I believe you can have it all as a person. So through my journey and also encouraging younger women, I believe you can have it all, and by being consistent, by being persistent, and also by being effective and, you know, being conscious of what you want as a person, as a woman, you can actually have it all. Okay, so the Blossom Retreat is not just a gathering of women and just a mentorship platform. After this session that we just had, we've created a community actually where these women will network and to carry it forward. So the Blossom Retreat is not just a talk shop, it's also should I call it an implementation shop, for lack of better word. So for moving forward, the subsequent edition of Blossom Retreat, you are going to see more engagements. We are going to get in more women to mentor, more older and more experienced women to mentor the younger women, and so as to enlarge, our networking community. I'm going to add quickly that the Ipada initiative is not an annual event. So the Ipada initiative is a daily movement. Ipada initiative is a movement wherein we encourage our brothers and sisters in diaspora to come back home. Right now, when they come back home, they are coming back home to holiday to add value to themselves, and in doing that, they are also adding value to the community or to the country they are visiting and to the continent as a whole. So the Ipada initiative has different activities wherein when our brothers and sisters come back home, they have things to engage in. So, and the Blossom Retreat happens to be one of the activities. So the Ipada initiative culminates to an annual carnival that we are having now. So Ipada is like an harvest wherein the farmer works all year through, and at the end of the year there is an harvest of a bountiful harvest. So that is where we have the Ipada Carnival. So for the Ipada initiative, like I said earlier, when you go to our website www.ipadacarnival.com, you get to see the different activities that are available all year round. That as a diasporan and even as an African or a lover of African living on the continent, you can just pick any activity that you happen to be interested in any time of the year and partake in. Well, my last word would be that you can have it all. Just like our speaker said, you have to communicate your value. You have to be consistent with that value you are communicating when it comes to your personal brand. So as a woman, as a young lady, and as a person generally, you can have it all.